Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about filter free courses on Udemy. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So Udemy is an online learning and teaching platform. It's where you can make use of your skills. Say for example, you want to teach something that you're good at or something that makes you interested or something that you have or you want to share to other people, then this platform is the best for you and you can earn money at the same time. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to go ahead to udemy.com and we are going to log in into our account. If you don't have any account yet, you need to sign up. And signing up here in Udemy is very easy. So this is the Udemy website. So if we're going to scroll down, these are the courses available and Udemy is going to pick courses that will best fit your preference. So say for example, I'm interested in fashion designing. So these are the courses that they offer, the best sellers. It's going to be indicated in each course. So as you can see in each course, you have there the title. So say for example, basic goodies for fashion design, pattern making tutorial, and the publisher, which is Nino Via. And as you can see, the ratings of this course and the students currently enrolled in this course, which is 170, and the price for this course is 1,950 pesos. And as you can see, it is highest rated in terms of this course. So if we're going to scroll down, you can see the popular for aspiring fashion designers. These courses are popular for this certain category. And you can see the students are what the students are viewing, the bestsellers. And if you're going to scroll down, these are the short and sweet courses for you. The top courses in 3D and animation if you're interested with that. So you can take a look at these courses here and how much they're worth. And also you can see new and noteworthy in 3D animation, what people who learn augmented reality take next, top courses in development, top courses in design, top courses in business, top courses in IT software, top courses and in personal development. So you can see a lot of courses here depending on which category or your preference. So if you've noticed in our courses, they cost a lot. Like for example, 1,950, they can go up to 4,000, they can go up to 5,000. It really depends with the course, and they can go as low as 599, 699, 549, and so on and so forth if there is a discount for that certain course. But if it doesn't, it can reach up to 3,990, and so on and so forth. So how are we going to look for courses that are free? So we're gonna go ahead to our search box here at the top. So we're gonna type on any topic that we want. Let's say for example, we're gonna type how to start my business. And then we're just going to click enter. And as you can see, there are 10,000 results for how to start my business. And these are the prices at the right hand corner of our interface. So as you can see, the course entrepreneurship, how to start a business from business idea, and steal my ideas, how to start my online businesses, and so on and so forth. We're gonna go ahead to the left part of our interface. So this is where we can filter our courses. So we can see the ratings. So we can filter the courses depending on the ratings. So if we want ratings 4 and above, 3 and above, and so on and so forth. So we're just going to click this circle here. Now, in terms of language, we can also choose the different language or the language that we want, that we prefer. And then if we're going to scroll down, we can choose on the video as to how many hours we want that certain course is, and then it's going to filter. Next is the features, and then you can take a look at this, the topics as well, and then the level. You can choose the course that you want to see according to their level, and then the subtitles, So say for example, you want your subtitles to be English, Espanol, Portuguese, and so on and so forth. Now this is where we can see or filter the free courses. So we're gonna go ahead and click price, and under price there is the paid and the free courses. So under paid courses, there are 10,000 courses for starting a business. And there are free 5,777 free courses. So we are going to go ahead and click this one. So this time, it's now filtering courses that are free. So all of the courses that we're going to scroll down are free. They are definitely free and we can take on them. So that's how easy we can filter free courses on Udemy. Now we're going to go ahead and choose the course that will really help us. So we're gonna go ahead to the ratings. We want to choose a free course that has 4.5 and up ratings. So we are going to filter courses that will greatly help us in building our business. So as you can see, this is the top free course on how to start a business. So the course title is How to Start Your Own Online Courses Business in 2021. And as you can see, the ratings is 4.5 and there are 412 students who started this course. And if you're going to scroll down, you can also see this course, How to Start a Dropshipping Business in 2023, with a 4.6 ratings. And there are currently 34 students who have enrolled or who have joined this course. So we're gonna scroll down more. So this course, Nail Salon, How to Start a Small Business from Home, got 5 ratings. So this is perfect. There are 2 students who have enrolled in this course, and the total hours of this course is 2, and there are 20 lectures, and it's for all levels. And as you can see, it is indicated that this course is currently new. And aside from that, aside from the ratings, we're just going to complete our filter here. So say for example, our language is English, and then we're just going to scroll down and we're going to continue filtering. And then for the features, I wanted to have subtitles, and I also want to have practice tests. And then for the topic, so let's say for example, oh, the topic is already given. And then for the level, I'm gonna click on all levels here. And then for the subtitles, I want to have an English subtitle. So these are the topics, or these are the courses that we got in those filters. So that's how easy you can filter a free course on Udemy. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!